Hey beauties, welcome back to a vlog. I am actually doing a cake today because it's quarantine day, whatever, I've lost count. So I thought that I would go ahead and bake a cake with this funfetti hot pink vanilla frosting, and it has these pretty pink sprinkles. And they are so cute and girly. It actually matches my nails. So yeah, I thought this was so cute and fun. So I've never really been the type to get my nails done, so it doesn't really bother me not being able to go to the nail salon. But I also got the super moist butter recipe yellow cake by Betty Crocker. And you just need 3 eggs, a 1/3 cup of butter, a bowl, a pan, this is 13 by 9, and a cup of water. And the oven is already preheated to, it says, bake on 350 degrees. So let's go ahead and open this cake up and mix it in the bowl.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, oh, oh. No, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit while we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make a move. Make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove. Nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotized.
Okay, so while my cake is being baked, I want some coffee. So I figured coffee and cake would be a good combo. And let's see which mug. I think I'm going to go with this one. I really like this design on this mug. So cute, so girly. It has the pink and then the white with the gold speckles on there. Thought that was so extra sweet. Here's the creamer that I just newly discovered. It's probably not a new creamer, but I really like it. It's the Italian sweet cream, and it just makes my coffee so good. I actually use the cinnamon dolce coffee, so these are a really sweet combination. And it's so tasty. It's just kind of like you're indulging in a good cinnamon dessert when you drink this. So yeah, let me go ahead and make my coffee. Let me pour this in here. And I'm gonna take you guys to my bedroom because I have a coffee maker that is a baby pink in my bedroom. So that is how I'm going to make my coffee. Okay, so I have my cinnamon dolce coffee, and I am going to go ahead and pop this in the coffee maker.
I would do anything. I would do anything for you. You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about
Okay, so I got my coffee and I'm actually getting ready to frost the cake. This is such a pretty vibrant pink. I'm so happy, getting ready to put these sprinkles on just one side of the cake because my oldest daughter hates sprinkles. So we are getting ready to frost this bad boy up. Ooh, that's so pretty, you guys. Look at that. That is gorgeous.
oh, in love with you. You make me move easier, easier. Do you like me too? Do I make you breathe heavier, heavier? Oh, I can't understand why you don't wanna be holding hands. Never let me see your true colors blend. Yeah, do you like me too? Tell me, 'cause I'm freezing here, freezing here. All my life, I've been waiting for the hard times to move on to good times. If you come around, maybe I will get the hopes up. Maybe it's the good love. Time stands still when you call out my name. Maybe it's the good stuff. All my life, I've been waiting for the bad love to move on to good love, good love. I put my heart on you. Don't run off and wear it out, wear it out. Can I have your heart too? I promise I'll be careful now, careful now. But I don't wanna try if what you say is just another lie. Is our love for real or not? Yeah.
Okay, so it turned out so pretty. You guys, I am in love. And if anyone wants to know where I got this from, check out Walmart and hopefully they have some. So once again, this is the overview of the gorgeous pretty pink cake, and we are going to indulge. So yeah, there it is. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I am sorry I put the camera down and went to sleep. I was tired, but I'm making breakfast for myself. That didn't make any sense, did it? Nope. I'm making breakfast for myself, hubby, and my oldest daughter. My son, he wants something else for breakfast, and my youngest daughter has not went to sleep yet. So she's going to sleep, and I believe she had something else anyways this morning. But anyway, I'm making a egg scramble, and I have these eggs. I have pepper and onion blend, red potatoes, chicken and maple, and these sausages are everything. I am so in love. And then I got the Fiesta blend cheese and real bacon pieces, and I just sprayed the pan with some olive oil, so they are pre-sprayed. And then over here I actually chopped up the red potatoes, and then I added some of that frozen onion and what is this stuff called, you guys? I just said it. Oh, pepper and onion blend, and washed it off so it wouldn't be frozen. And I'm getting ready to place it in the pan. First, what I like to do is just place my red potatoes with my onions. And the reason why I have two pans is because my oldest daughter hates peppers and onions. So I'm going to put her potatoes in this pan, and I'm going to put ours in that pan. So let's go ahead and get started with everything. Okay guys, so while the potatoes are cooking, I am going to go over here and show you the seasonings that I use, starting with seasoning salt, garlic pepper, everything bagel seasoning blend, and Southwest Chipotle seasoning blend by Mrs. Dash. I'm not going to add the everything bagel to my daughter's or the seasoning salt. I think I'm just going to use the Southwest Chipotle and the garlic powder. But this is how everything is looking right now. And yeah, so I'm going to add my peppers whenever my potatoes are almost done. You guys have to excuse me. It is 8:33 in the morning. So yeah, this is what we are working with right now. So I'll show you when I add those and the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I went ahead and I added the onions and peppers with the potatoes. So I'm gonna let that cook for a little while and let the vegetables get softer and the potatoes get softer. And this right here is almost done. So what I'm gonna do is get ready and crack open the eggs. I think I'm gonna put them in a bowl and just stir those around. And then what I'm gonna do is take this sausage, and what I like to do is place this sausage in the microwave, cook it on, what does it say? So I'm making, I think I'll put about 10 sausages in there. So put it for about 4 minutes in the microwave. And then I like to take the sausage out of the microwave and blend it in with the remainder of the ingredients in the skillets. So you guys will see once I add everything, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we got the sausage done in the microwave, and all I did was let it cook for 4 minutes in the microwave, cut it up. I have my eggs in both bowls, and I have my bacon pieces and my seasoning. So what I'm about to do right now is just add my eggs right here to this pan. And right now I just have the heat turned off so I can add all of my ingredients and kind of blend them all together. So I'm gonna add these eggs here. And then I'm gonna take some sausage and add a couple sausage over here. And then I'm gonna add the rest over here. Okay, so next I'm gonna add some bacon pieces. And some seasoning. And a little touch of seasoning salt. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just turn my oven on between medium and low. I'm gonna turn this one on low because this one in the front happens to cook really fast. And then mix all of that together. And after that, I will show you guys how it looks plated. Okay, loves, here is the finished product. It looks so yummy. This is my daughter's plate without the peppers and onions. And this is my plate. I still have to make hubby's plate. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. It's a very hearty and delicious breakfast. So let me know down in the comments if this is something that you would like to make or if you've already made something similar. All right, guys, I am getting ready to dig in. So yummy looking, you guys. Okay, so I'm getting ready to take a shower and I laid out some stuff that I use for my shower routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. This is PMD Facial Cleansing System. I got this in a BoxyCharm and it has 4 different massaging techniques within this system. So here is the very first one. This is the second one. The third one. And the fourth one. I love that they sent me a baby pink one because in case you guys didn't know, pink is my favorite color. So next, I want to show you guys the breakfast scrub that I use by Soap and Glory. It is in the scent maple, oat, shea butter, and it really softens the skin, you guys. I am absolutely in love with this. Let me open it up to show you all the consistency of this. Okay, so I got it open and this is what it looks like inside. You guys, just opening this up, it smells so freaking good. Like, I just love it. So yeah. So moving on, I like to use the Confetti Cake Pop body cream and I got this from Bath and Body Works. It smells just like cake, so good. I have the shower gel, but I like to use this because it really moisturizes the skin. It is in the brand Olay Moisture Ribbons Plus, and it's in the scent Shea and Manuka Honey. This makes you feel so soft and supple. For some people, you wouldn't even need to put on lotion, but me, I love putting on globs and globs of lotion. That's always been me, you guys. So yeah. And then I use the shave cream in the scent Pomegranate Raspberry in the brand EOS. I really got this because the bottle is aesthetically pleasing. Look at that pretty color. OMG. Okay, so moving on to the exfoliating treatment that I like to use. It is in the brand Sand and Sky, Australian pink clay, and it really helps with exfoliating your face. And I use this with my mask in the brand Sand and Clay, but you can't use those together. So that is the only kicker with this. You cannot use any mask if you are using the pink clay exfoliating treatment. You have to use those on different days. But moving past that, I really love the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It smells just like a cucumber. So very invigorating and fresh. I really love this. It has amino acids in it, and it gently cleanses the face and eyes. My favorite deodorant right now is the Lavender Fresh by Dove. I've used all of the Dove spray deodorants, and this is one of my faves. And then for feminine hygiene, I am really digging the Feminine Wash in the Fresh scent, and also Summer's Eve by Summer's Eve in Tahitian Sunset. So yeah, this is all of my products that I am loving right now. So let me go ahead and get in the shower to show face. Be back, you guys. Okay, beauties, I just stepped out the shower. The shower felt amazing, and I just wanted to show you guys what I'm getting ready to put on. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Y'all, this is my little cuddly Paisley. That's my baby girl. Mommy love you. Mommy love you. Say hi to everybody in the vlog. Say hi. Okay, you guys, I guess she's not wanting to say hi right now. She's too busy being sleepy. Mommy baby. But anyways, you guys, so I got this right here from Amazon, and it's just a black florally robe, and it was like less than 20 bucks, so a really nice price. And then I got these three things right here from the Victoria's Secrets website. I love this little baby doll gown and all of the pretty lace details it has on it. Let me go ahead and get dressed, and I'll be right back in a moment. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, guys, I am finally dressed. I'm getting ready to take a seat down at my vanity, and I actually got a couple of things that I want to do. I just got out the shower, as you all know, so let me go ahead and get some of my skincare out that I use on a regular basis, and this is just the avocado melt sleeping mask. You guys, I am so in love with that. It's by Glow Recipe, and I use the squalene and marine algae eye cream. It's supposed to visibly firm and instantly smooth your eye area, and it is by the brand Biossance. I love those two in combination. And I also like to use this right here. I got this in a BoxyCharm. It is Cypress Antioxidant Dew, It is a Quench and Glow serum. So before I use any of those products, let me go over here and get my toner, which is the Dickerson Pore Perfecting Toner. And all I do is just get a cotton round. You guys, this drawer is a livid mess. I need to organize it, but that's going to be in another video. Let me turn you guys around. Hold on. Okay, you guys, my lips are needing a little TLC, so I'm going to be using this right here. It is the Rose Vegan Lip Balm, and this is just what it looks like on the inside. I use this every single day and night. I'm constantly applying it, and it just makes my lips look so moist and soft. And I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about this whole quarantine situation. I'm going crazy. I've never really been the type to go to a lot of places anyways. I've always been like a homebody, but I like the option. You know, I don't want to sit here and say that I'm happy to be enclosed and not being able to go to the different stores that I like to go to and things like that. I realize it's for the safety of all the United States citizens, but at the same time, you guys, it is driving me insane. And also, people that are out of work and things like that, you know, prayers to everybody that is going through this situation right now. I know that it is for the better good, but you guys, I don't know. I just wanted to talk to you all as well because I have actually decided to open up a Facebook group. It's called Pink Fashionistas, and it's for anyone who loves the color pink. I have like a lot of giveaways and things like that. The next giveaway that I think I'm actually going to do is give away a nice bottle of perfume. I actually just gave away a perfume called Prada Candy Gloss. So I don't know if you all have heard of that, but it smells so good. And if you join the Facebook group, you can just enter the giveaways. They are free. All you have to do is just invite members to the group, and you guys get to see a lot of pretty things. I have like a lot of fashion designers in the group, a lot of makeup artists, and just people that want a breath of fresh air from what's going on in the world. I post a lot of pretty things. So you guys are more than welcome to click the link down in the description bar below. And I do giveaways and contests frequently. So you guys are going to be able to win a lot of cute and girly stuff. So we just applied the serum and the Dickerson facial toner. And now I am moving on to the avocado sleeping mask. I like to apply my mask right before I apply my eye cream. I don't know, it's just like if I apply my eye cream before the mask, it feels like that I rubbed in all the stuff from the eye cream. So I want the eye cream to sit. I don't want it to go nowhere, and I want it to really absorb. And for some reason, you guys, I don't like applying this down my neck because it just makes my neck feel like really sticky and stuff. So I don't know. That's just me. Okay, so this eye cream goes a very long way. I know it looks like a lot, but all I do is just pat it like that. And let me know if you want more of an in-depth facial cleansing routine. I will also do that video, and any types of videos that you guys would like to see on my channel, please let me know. Okay, so we are all cleansed and refreshed, and I'm ready to go, you guys, to my living room. So anyways, if you guys love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'm so excited to be doing videos again for you guys on my channel. I have nothing but time. So go ahead and please, before you leave, hit that red subscribe button, and also go ahead and ding that notification bell. You guys, I love you, and have a good day. Mwah.